Ever wanted to see a volcano erupt? Right at home? With just a few simple ingredients, you can create an epic chemical reaction that looks just like real lava. Stay till the end to learn the science behind the explosion, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment below with how big your eruption was. To make this DIY volcano, you'll need baking soda, our eruption booster, vinegar to create the explosive reaction, dish soap for bigger foamy lava, red or orange food coloring to make it look like real lava, a plastic cup or small bottle, and clay, sand, or dirt to shape your volcano. Got everything? Let's build this volcano. First, place your plastic cup or small bottle in the middle. Then build up clay, sand, or dirt around it to shape your volcano. Make sure you leave the top open. That's where the lava will erupt. Now for the fun part. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda into the volcano. Next, squeeze in a few drops of red or orange food coloring to make it look like real lava. Want an even bigger explosion? Add a few drops of dish soap. This creates tons of foamy lava. Now get ready for the eruption. Slowly pour half a cup of vinegar into the volcano and watch what happens. Boom! The lava starts bubbling and overflowing just like a real volcanic eruption. But why does this happen? When you mix baking soda, which is a base with vinegar and acid, they react to create carbon dioxide gas. This gas builds up quickly, causing the mixture to foam and overflow, just like real lava escaping from a volcano. How big was your eruption? Comment below and let me know. If you love cool science tricks like this, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next crazy experiment.